Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem, whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily find or check the message request on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok mobile application and at the bottom right you can find your profile. Click on your profile and this interface will appear. At the bottom you will also be able to find your inbox. Click on the inbox and all of your chats will appear here. All of the message requests will also appear here. If we go to the profile at the top right, you will be able to find three horizontal lines or the hamburger icon. Click on it and go to settings and privacy. Once you go in the settings and privacy, go in the privacy option, the second one. If we scroll down, midway down, you should be able to find direct messages. Click on it and at the very top you will be able to find allow direct messages from. Simply tap on it and go to everyone so that everyone can send you a message request. All of your message requests will be available on your inbox and that is how you can check the message request on TikTok. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.